The power of words. An introduction. Words have power. They are more than just a means of communication. They are tools that can shape reality. They can inform, persuade, and inspire. Words can build bridges between cultures, spark revolutions, and create lasting change. Throughout history, skilled individuals have harnessed this power to influence and motivate others. From ancient scribes to modern-day writers, the ability to craft compelling narratives has always been a revered skill. This is the essence of copywriting, the art of using words to sell, convince, and ultimately drive action. It's about understanding human psychology and tapping into emotions. From ancient marketplaces to modern digital landscapes, copywriting has played a pivotal role in shaping our world. It has evolved with technology, adapting to new mediums and audiences. This journey through the history of copywriting will explore its fascinating evolution. We'll see how it has transformed over centuries, adapting to the changing needs of society. We'll delve into its ancient origins, exploring the earliest forms of written communication and their purposes. Trace its development through key milestones, such as the invention of the printing press and the rise of mass media, and examine the influential figures who shaped the industry. These pioneers laid the groundwork for modern copywriting techniques. Join us as we uncover the enduring power of words and their impact on commerce, culture, and communication. We'll look at how advertising has evolved and the role of copywriting in this transformation. The story of copywriting is a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring power of language. It's a narrative of how words can be wielded to influence thought and behavior. It's a story of innovation, creativity, and the constant quest to connect with audiences on a deeper level. Copywriting is about more than selling products. It's about telling stories that resonate. So let's begin our exploration of this captivating craft and its profound influence on our world. Together, we'll uncover the secrets behind the most effective copy and the timeless principles that continue to drive successful communication. Imagine a bustling marketplace in ancient Egypt. Merchants hawk their wares, their voices echoing through the crowded streets, each one trying to outdo the other in attracting potential buyers. Amidst the clamor, a papyrus scroll hangs outside a stall, its carefully crafted hieroglyphs promising relief from the desert heat with the finest linen garments. The scroll's message is clear and enticing, drawing in those seeking comfort. This, my friends, is an early example of copywriting in action, where words are used to persuade and sell. One of the earliest documented examples is the papyrus of slave Shem, dating back to around 1500 BC. This ancient document serves as a fascinating glimpse into the past. This papyrus contains a description of a runaway slave named Shem and offers a reward for his capture. The details are meticulously written to ensure Shem can be easily identified. The description aims to make Shem easily identifiable, highlighting his skills and even mentioning a distinctive scar. This level of detail was crucial in the search efforts. This ancient papyrus demonstrates the fundamental principles of copywriting, to convey information clearly, persuasively, and with a specific goal in mind. The goal here was to capture Shem. Throughout history, civilizations have employed similar tactics. From the bustling markets of Egypt to the grand forms of Rome, the art of persuasion has always been key. In ancient Rome, for example, shop signs and notices utilized persuasive language to attract customers. These signs were often colorful and strategically placed to catch the eye. These early copywriters understood the importance of crafting compelling messages that resonated with their target audience. They knew that the right words could make all the difference. While these early examples may seem rudimentary compared to the sophisticated marketing campaigns of today, they laid the groundwork for the development of copywriting as a powerful tool for communication and commerce. The evolution of these techniques shows how far we've come, yet the core principles remain the same. Fast forward to the 15th century, a period of immense cultural and technological upheaval in Europe. This era was marked by significant changes that would shape the future of communication and information dissemination. Johannes Gutenberg's printing press revolutionized communication, democratizing knowledge and paving the way for mass media. This invention was a game-changer, making it possible to produce books and other written materials on a scale never seen before. The printing press didn't just make books more accessible, it opened up a whole new world of possibilities for advertising and commerce. Suddenly, information could be shared widely and quickly, transforming how people interacted with written content. In 1477, the first printed advertisement in English appeared. This was a monumental step in the history of advertising, setting the stage for future developments in the field. It was a handbill promoting a book of religious sermons tacked up on church doors in England. This simple piece of paper was more than just an advertisement. It was a symbol of the new era of mass communication. This seemingly simple act marked a pivotal moment in the history of copywriting. It demonstrated the power of the written word to influence and inform the public. The ability to mass-produce written material meant businesses could reach a wider audience than ever before. This was a revolutionary change, allowing for the spread of ideas and information on an unprecedented scale. As printing technology advanced, advertisements became more sophisticated. The evolution of printing techniques allowed for more creative and effective ways to capture the public's attention. Newspapers and magazines emerged, providing new platforms for businesses to connect with potential customers. These publications became essential tools for advertisers, offering a way to reach a broad audience. Copywriting evolved to meet the demands of this changing media landscape. Writers had to adapt their skills to create compelling content that would stand out in these new formats. The 18th century witnessed the rise of advertising agencies, signaling the growing recognition of copywriting as a specialized skill. These agencies played a crucial role in shaping the future of advertising. These agencies acted as intermediaries between businesses and publishers, crafting compelling advertisements to attract customers. They were the pioneers of modern marketing strategies. This era marked the beginning of copywriting as a profession, laying the foundation for the advertising industry we know today. The principles established during this time continue to influence the world of advertising and marketing.